Hey everyone, how's it going? So here I'm testing out the new LiDAR camera from the iPhone 12 Pro, and I wanted to share with you, this is my first time using this on a Model 3, and we're going to test out on the Model X too. So LiDAR, if you're not familiar, is a method of measuring distance by illuminating the target with a laser light. It measures the reflection with a sensor. So the difference in laser return time and wavelength can then be used to make a digital three-dimensional representation of the target. And in this case, it's a Model 3 with error wheels cover remove on this Model 3. And we're experiencing this for the first time. So the key is to get all angles of the object, and it's difficult to get the glass part of the vehicle. It doesn't pick up as easily as an actual solid steel frame or aluminum, as you can see there. But if you move slowly enough, and what we notice is that there's a certain part of the glass it doesn't pick up, even though we're moving the camera and the sensor really slowly across this object, the Model 3. And you can already see the detail that is picking up. And you want to get the top. Unfortunately, we can't get the bottom for obvious reason, but it should be a flat surface, and I can bet you can edit that in the final version. The wheels, it's a little funky how it details here, but it does pick up the dimension fairly well. I'm trying to get the front windshield here. And this app, I'll post it in a link where you can download off the Apple Store, and also a link where you can find the latest iPhone for a discount if you're interested in that, the iPhone 12 Pro. And I noticed that in the garage, it does a lot better than out in full sunlight. For some reason, when we were trying to do this in full sunlight or partial sunlight, it didn't work as well on the Model X. And we'll show that video in another clip. So you can do a lot with this measuring. You can do a replica of this Model 3 with 3D printing. You can also insert it in certain image as a replica of the vehicle in the actual form. So I think it's pretty neat. I thought I'd share this with you. And again, I'm moving across this more of a 360, and it's kind of difficult to do in the garage, but the output is much better under shade. So for some reason, when the sun hits it or there's bright sunlight, it doesn't pick up all the details. So if you have a large garage, you can probably do this a lot better. Their wheels, it looks like it picks up that detail of the air wheels without the cover a lot better on that rear right. And then this front window on the passenger side is having difficulty getting that measurement, probably because of the transparency there, the light on the other side. Again, this is the first time we're testing this out, so I'm sure there's going to be other application out there that will be able to make good use of this function. I think it's pretty cool that you're able to measure your vehicle now with more accuracy. So you can do a lot with this, especially for 3D printing as well. And the dimension you can measure between person, object, it depends on the app you have, but it can be as large as a house to as small as an apple per this app instruction. So here's the final outcome of the rendering. I'm sure you can modify this. This is the raw form of it. As you can see, it does capture a lot of the detail. Very impressed with this first rendering using the LiDAR sensor for this 3D measurement of the Model 3. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. More to come. Remember to subscribe and check out the description for promo links. Catch you all next time.